Guys,
Hello guys.
before
Before
I start
start
my video, I want to
I want to
say something.
say something.
Whatever
What
you are doing,
you are doing?
I want you to stop
I want to stop
and
and
take a deep breath
take a deep breath
and speak
and speak
as I am speaking.
as I am speaking.
Because
Because
today
today
I want to
I want
make you
to make you
speak English.
speak English.
Because
Because
whatever I know,
whatever I know,
I want you to
I want you to
speak like me.
speak like this.
Because
Because
most of the people
Master Super
they want to improve English,
they want to speak English,
but
but
they don't know
and don't know
the right method.
the right method.
That's why
That's why
they always
they always
give up.
give up.
But
But
I want
I want
you to
you to
don't give up.
don't give up.
Speak
Speak
what I am speaking.
what I am speaking.
Because
Because
English is
English is
such a language.
such language.
Until you speak,
Until you
you will
speak, you will
unable to
unable to
speak English
speak English
fluently.
fluently.
Therefore,
Therefore,
what I am telling you,
what I am telling you,
you should speak.
you should speak.
Even if you
Even if you
make mistake,
make mistake,
but speak.
but speak.
Because
Because
until you speak,
until you speak,
how will you know
how will you know
how to use word?
how to use one?
So please don't wait
So please don't make
perfect time.
perfect time.
If you think that
If you think that
I will speak
I will speak,
when I will become more knowledgeable,
then because
more knowledgeable.
more energy.
If you thinking that I am telling you, if you thinking
If you think
as I am telling you,
as I am telling you,
you will
you will
never
never
able to
able to
speak English.
speak English.
So please
So please
don't listen.
don't listen.
What who is
What who is
speaking?
speaking?
Why who is laughing?
Was
Laughing.
laughing?
Let them laugh.
Let them laugh.
You should focus
You should focus
on
on
your goal.
your goal.
Believe in yourself.
We will
One day
one day
you will
you will
achieve
receive
everything
everything
whatever
whatever
you like.
you like.
Please
Please
don't
don't
listen.
listen.
You should focus
You should focus
on your goal.
on your goal.
I have also
I have also
some dream
some dream
which I want to
which I want to
receive it,
receive it,
but
but
I always thinking that
I always thinking that
how can I reach,
how can I reach,
but I believe
but I believe
myself,
myself,
my work.
my word.
One day
One day,
my hard working
my hard working
will
will
paying off.
pay off.
So
So,
what I am telling you,
what I telling you,
you should
you should
never give up.
never give up.
Always
Always
focus on your goal,
focus on your goal.
that
Then,
how can I
how can I
reach my goal.
reach my goal?
I know
know
very well
very well
every dream
every dream
always
always
so far from
so far from
us.
us.
But
But
if I
if I
put effort,
put it focus,
one day
one day
I will
I will
get it.
get it.
So, my friend,
So my friend,
I am
I am
like
like
your child,
your
so that sorry, so
so
I want
I want
you
you
to subscribe my channel.
to subscribe my channel.
Don't forget to share.
Don't forget to share.
If you have a child
If you have child
like me,
like me,
so
so
you should also
you should also
try to
try to
speak English
you speak English
from childhood,
from child.
because my father
Because my father
want to
want to
make me
make me
speak English
speak English
from childhood.
from childhood.
My friend,
My friend,
if I do something wrong,
my if I didn't long,
please forgive me.
give me
Whatever I make mistake,
what I mean to speak.
uh, while speaking,
What is speaking?
so
So
you can
you can
tell me on comment.
tell me comment.
I will
I will
fix it.
speak.
Bye, friend.